I know for sure it takes discipline and consistency, values that Dirk and I both had the opportunity to share and see within each other when we played soccer in college, and that's actually how I met Dirk.
The mission is to bring dreams to life through the built environment. What I love about the building world in general is it really does take many minds and hundreds of hands to bring those projects to life. We've been able to attract some extremely great talent, both on the mind side and then also on our actual supervision and our subcontractors. So we've been able to really bring together a lot of great talent, a lot of great minds, and hundreds of really good hands to bring those to life.
What I really respect about Momentasize is that they have a really clear vision and desire to build their business in a super constructive, positive, well-rounded, committed to the client way.
What we try to focus on is to have the plan completely in place prior to the first shovel coming out.
The name of the company anchors us to that attention of detail every day.
There's no detail that hasn't been discussed, planned, and designed prior. And so we really focus on the front end. It makes the actual execution of the project fairly smooth. And that's how we maintain quality is basically through that communication process.
There's going to be a lot of intentionality and heart behind everything that we do.
Dirk is a collaborator. He has an emotional connection to his team and to what they're trying to do. He's a motivator.
We take a lot of pride in not only building houses, but creating homes where memories are made and families can really connect.
Everything that we're doing is with that vision in mind.
It's a real commitment to an emotional and physical space and making it the best possible it can be.
It really does take many minds and hundreds of hands to bring the projects to life. And at Momentasize, we feel extremely passionate and blessed to be able to lead that process. That's really our job, is to lead the process from all the minds and hands that come together, and we love being able to do that.